Hey guys, myself Syed Faizan, officially known as Keto with Faizan. So I welcome you to my YouTube channel Keto with Faizan. If you are thinking of starting a keto diet and you are an absolutely beginner, don't know how to start, so don't worry. If you don't know the K of the keto, I will explain you in the detail in this video. In this video, I will cover the every main important points of the keto diet. Example, what to eat, what to avoid the food while you are on the keto diet. Everything I will explain in this video. Make sure to stay till the end. So if you are a beginner in the keto diet, I will first tell you what is a keto diet. The ketogenic diet is a very low carb, high fat diet that shares many similarities with the Atkins and the low carb diets. It involves drastically reducing carbohydrates intake and replacing it with the fat. This reduction in carb puts up your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. When this happens, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. It also turns fat into ketosis in the liver, which can supply energy to the brain. Ketogenic diet can cause significant reduction in the blood sugar and insulin levels. This, along with the increased ketones, has some health benefits. Different types of ketogenic diets. There are several versions of the ketogenic diet, including standard ketogenic diet. This is a very low carb, moderate protein and a high fat diet. It typically contains 70% of fat, 20% of protein and only 10% of carbs. Cyclic ketogenic diet. This diet involves periods of higher carb refeeds, such as 5 ketogenic days followed by 2 high carb days. Targeted ketogenic diet. This diet allows you to add carbs around workouts. High protein ketogenic diet. This is similar to standard ketogenic diet but includes more protein. The ratio is often 60% fat, 35% protein and 5% carbs. However, only the standard and high protein ketogenic diets have been studied extensively. Cyclic or targeted ketogenic diets are a more advanced method and primarily used by bodybuilders. What is ketosis? Ketosis is a metabolic state in which your body uses fat for fuel instead of carbs. It occurs when you significantly reduce your consumption of carbohydrates, limiting your body's supply of glucose, which is the main source of energy for the cells. Following a ketogenic diet is the most effective way to enter ketosis. Generally, this involves limiting carb consumption of around 20 to 50 grams per day and filling up on fats such as meat, fish, eggs, nuts, and healthy oils. It's also important to moderate your protein consumption. This is because protein can be converted into glucose if consumed in high amounts, which may slow your transition into ketosis. Ketogenic diets can help you lose weight. If this is your question, then I will give you the answer. A ketogenic diet is an effective way to lose weight and lower risk factors for disease. In fact, research shows that the ketogenic diet may be as effective for weight loss as a low-fat diet. What's more, the diet is so filling that you can lose weight without counting calories or tracking your food intake. One review or 13 studies found that following a very low-carb ketogenic diet was slightly more effective for long-term weight loss than a low-fat diet. People who followed the keto diet lost an average of 2 pounds, that is 0.9 kg more than the group that followed a low-fat diet. Other health benefits of keto. The ketogenic diet actually originated as a tool for treating neurological disease such as epilepsy. Studies have now shown that the keto can have benefits for a wide variety of different health conditions. Heart disease. The ketogenic diet can help improve risk factors like body fat, HDL, a good cholesterol level, blood pressure and a blood sugar. Cancer. The diet is currently being explored as an additional treatment for cancer because it may help slow tumor growth. Alzheimer's disease. The keto diet may help reduce symptoms of Alzheimer's disease and slow its progression. Epilepsy. Research has shown that the ketogenic diet can cause significant reduction in seizure in epileptic children. Parkinson's disease. Although more research is needed, one study found that the diet helped improve symptoms of Parkinson's disease, polycystic ovary syndrome. The ketogenic diet can help reduce insulin level, which may play a key role in polycystic ovary syndrome. Brain injuries. Some research suggests that the diet could improve outcomes of traumatic brain injuries. So the foods to be avoided when you are on keto. Any foods that's the high in carbs should be limited. Here's a list of foods that need to be reduced or eliminated on a ketogenic diet. Sugar foods like soda, fruit juice, smoothies, cake, ice cream, candy should be avoided. Grains or starches. Wheat-based products, rice, pasta, cereal, etc. should be avoided. Fruit. All fruit except small portion of berries like strawberries should be exempted. Beans or legumes, peas, kidney beans, lentils, chickpeas, etc. should be avoided. Root vegetables and tubers, potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots should be avoided. Low-fat or diet products, low-fat mayonnaise, salad dressing and condiments should be exempted. Some condiments or sauces, barbecue sauces, honey mustard, teriyaki sauce, ketchup, etc. should be exempted. Unhealthy fats, processed vegetable oils, mayonnaise, etc. should be exempted. Alcohol, beer, wine, liquors, mixed drinks should be avoided. Sugar-free diet foods, sugar-free candy, syrups, pudding, sweeteners, desserts, etc. should be avoided. So the foods to be eaten when you are on keto. You should base the majority of your meals around this food. Meat, red meat, steak, ham, sausage, bacon, chicken and turkey should be eaten or you may eat. Fatty fish, salmon, trout, tuna and mackerel. Eggs, pastured or omega-3 whole eggs. Butter and cream, grass-fed butter and heavy cream. Cheese, unprocessed cheese like cheddar, goat cream, blue or mozzarella. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, etc. Healthy oils, extra virgin oil, olive oil, coconut oil and avocado oil. Avocados, whole avocados or freshly made, guacamole. Low carb veggies, green veggies, tomatoes, onion, peppers, etc. Condiments, salt, pepper, herbs and spices. So I hope this video have been helped you. If you like the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell notification for the latest update. If you want to start your keto diet journey today, there is a link in the description of the keto diet. If you purchase from my link, I will give you the bonuses of free e-material of the weight loss, which will be very helpful in the keto diet.